And last but not least, gloves and an electric air hose. Well, alright, let's get this wheel off of here and see what's going on behind it. Makes it squeak so. This is the kind of stuff you run into when you do brake jobs. I don't see anything wrong with it. This is why I done it inside the building. That's rain. And it's blowing in on me now. All it was a bent wear squeaker. That's a lot of rain. All it was a bent wear indicator. These little metal arms, when the shoes wear out enough, you rub on the rotor and it makes a big loud squeaking noise, so you'll know your brakes are almost worn out. This one apparently got bent when they repaired the emergency brake assembly inside here, and it was rubbing the outside of the drum ever so lightly. So we're gonna put this truck back together. You always start the lug nuts by hand for a few turns to make sure they're engaged in the thread before you put the impact wrench on them and ruin them. And then you tighten them down gently. That wheel's installed. Driveway looks like a river run through it. That's incredible. Well, now that the rain's lit up a little bit and I've got the wheel back on the Jeep, I think I'm gonna take the Jeep up to the house and I'm gonna lay down and rest my leg a little while. Peace out.